Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can disable pop-up notification or notifications in general for your account on chess.com. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to chess.com in the first step. Next, click into settings in the bottom left. After that, click into all settings. And here inside your account settings, navigate to notifications, and here simply go through these notifications and customize these, for example, for gameplay, for moves you make, for friend requests, for new messages, and so on and so forth. And at the bottom you will see pop-up notifications. Expand that menu and simply toggle on or off the notification you would like to receive as pop-ups, like for example club requests, show friend requests pop-ups. That's up to you guys. So customize these. You don't need to save anything manually. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.